Hey everyone, welcome to iStore Meets. My name is Alex and I'm the product trainer at iStore. Whether you're a seasoned Apple user or just getting started, in today's video we will provide tips, tricks and insights to help you make the most of your Apple devices and services. From iCloud storage and synchronization to iOS and macOS features, we cover it all. Join us as we explore the world of Apple and share our passion for this innovative and user-friendly technology. By the end of this session, you would have learned how to use Apple iCloud continuity features such as continuity sketch and markup, continuity camera features, and lastly, how to use Sidecar. Let's get started. Apple's continuity sketch and markup is a feature that allows you to sketch or mark up an image or document on your iPad using your Apple Pencil and have it instantly appear on your Mac. With continuity sketch and markup, you can draw a quick sketch or annotate an image using your iPad, and it will seamlessly appear on your Mac. Ready for use in presentations, documents, or other products. Continuity sketch is a great feature, so let's have a look at exactly how this works. I'm going to open up a Keynote document here, and let's choose any random theme right here. We'll go with the basic white. And once it opens up, we now want to insert a sketch using my iPad that I've got on the side right here. So what I'm going to do is in the media section here, I'll click on that and then move my cursor all the way down, and you'll notice that I have the option to either use my iPhone or my iPad. For this I want to say, let's add a sketch using my iPad. And you'll notice that what then happens is on my iPad, it opens up a sketch pad for me. From here, I can then use any of these tools available and I can then draw. Let's use a little smiley face right here. And on my iPad, tap on the word done. And instantly you'll notice that the smiley face has been transferred onto my Mac as well. And that's how easy it is to use continuity, sketch and markup. Apple's continuity camera is a great feature that allows you to use your iPhone or iPad camera to capture images or documents directly onto your Mac. With continuity camera, you can take a photo or scan a document on your iPhone or iPad and it will instantly appear on your Mac. Let's have a look at continuity camera in action. What we're going to do is open up a Pages document this time on my Mac. Once that opens up, I'm going to choose a blank document. Again, once we have this open in front of us, we can use either the inserting tool or the media button. I'll go for the media button once again. And from there, we'll notice that my iPhone and my iPad appears. This time, let's use my iPhone to take a photo of an object I have in front of me. So I'll select, take a photo, and you'll notice that on my iPhone, my camera opens up. I'm going to take an image of this drone that we have in front of us right here. I'll take the photo and then say, use photo. From that point, instantly, this drops into my document right here. And that's how easy it is to use your iPhone as a continuity camera tool for your Mac. Now that we've seen how we can use the camera to take a photo into a document, let's also have a look at how we can make use of the camera to scan a document into Finder. So I'm going to open up Finder here, and you'll notice that I've got a folder that says Scan Documents. From here, I'll right-click and then say Import from iPhone or iPad. From here, we'll select my iPhone once again, and this time say Scan Documents. You'll notice that once again my iPhone camera will open up. I've got a document here that I'm going to position my camera on. It will see that it's a document, take the photo, and I can then say Save. As soon as I tap Save, you'll notice that this has now appeared on my Mac within Finder as well. And that's how easy it is to use your iPhone to scan documents on either your Mac or your iPad. Apple's Sidecar is a feature that allows you to use iPad as a second display for your Mac. With Sidecar, you can extend or mirror your Mac's desktop to your iPad wirelessly or using a cabled connection. This feature is particularly useful for tasks that require multiple windows or applications, such as video editing or graphic design. Let's have a look at exactly how easy it is to set up Sidecar on your Mac. What we're going to do is on our Mac, go to the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner of our screen. From here, we'll access System Settings. That's going to open up System Settings on your Mac. From here, in our sidebar, we want to look for displays. And you'll notice that at the moment, I only have my Mac display. I now want to extend this to my iPad. I'll select the plus icon and in the bottom say mirror as an extended display to my iPad. I'll select it and now you'll notice that my iPad display will turn and look like my Mac display. From here, I can now move objects around into different displays and corners just like that. So now my iPad is an extended display of my Mac. And that's how easy it is to multitask with Sidecar on your Mac and iPad. Thanks for joining iStore Meets with me, Alex. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, like this video, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post new videos.